What's up, internet? Welcome to Mo's Garage. In today's video, we're going to be replacing the cabin air filter on a 2020 Toyota Corolla. Let's get right into it. Alright, so over from the passenger side of the vehicle, you want to go ahead and open your glove box. And then to the right, there's supposed to be a dampener arm. Now, unfortunately, the one on this car is missing. But what you want to do is you want to take these clips and you just want to squeeze it, and you should be able to pull that dampener arm out. From there, you can go ahead and push in the side of the glove boxes until this tab comes out, and then you want to do the same thing on the other side. Alright, the glove box just falls down because it's just kind of hooked in. There's really no retention mechanism there. Alright, now from here, this is where you can access your cabin air filter. What you want to do is you want to grab these two little clips and you want to pinch them in together and then pull out. That'll release this cover. And then from here, you should be able to access your cabin air filter. Okay, once you have your little tray out, you just want to go ahead and take out the old air filter. Just like that. Set that one aside. Okay, and then you want to go ahead and grab your new one, and you want to make sure that the airflow arrow is pointing down. Once you've made sure of that, you can go ahead and slide the new one back in. And then from here, it's just a reversal of installation. You just go ahead and slide in your cabin air filter tray. Reinstall your cover. Make sure that the up arrow is pointing up. Just like that. And then we can go ahead and reinstall the glove box. Just make sure it hooks back on. And then you should be able to just push it back in. Alright, so at this point what you want to do is, if you still have that dampener arm, you want to go ahead and install that now. But since I don't have one, we're essentially done. Thank you guys so much for watching. Consider liking and subscribing, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.